Skin rashes that appear out of nowhere, a relentless cough, or perhaps the secrets your handwriting holds, these are the cryptic clues your body may be sharing. It's akin to a hidden code waiting to be unraveled. Medical experts shed light on what to pay heed to, helping you comprehend these indicators and take proactive steps towards wellness. By understanding these early warning signs, you empower yourself to intervene at the right time, potentially averting larger health issues. Join us as we unravel the mysterious language of your body's distress signals, your gateway to staying in tune with your health and embarking on a proactive journey towards a healthier, happier you. Welcome to the channel, subscribe and let's dive in. Unintentional weight loss. Unexpected weight loss can be your body's way of signaling a potential health concern. If the scale reflects a loss of more than 10 pounds without intentional changes in your diet or exercise routine, it's time to take notice. Dr. Richard Wender, MD, a leading authority at the American Cancer Society, emphasizes the importance of investigating this unexplained weight drop. This enigmatic weight loss often unveils itself as a precursor to various health challenges, notably in organs like the pancreas, stomach, esophagus, or lungs. It's like a subtle distress call, urging you to pay attention and take action. Your body might be trying to convey something vital. Unraveling the mystery behind this weight loss could lead to early detection and intervention, potentially altering the course of your health. So, listen to what your body is trying to tell you. Don't overlook the signs, reach out to a healthcare professional for a thorough assessment. Your body's messages are essential, and by heeding them, you prioritize your well-being and pave the way to a healthier future. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and let your body's whispers guide you toward optimal health. Damage to your teeth. Discover an unexpected link between your dental health and a hidden culprit, acid reflux. Dr. Evan Dellon, a gastrointestinal (GI) specialist at the University of North Carolina School of Medicine, sheds light on a surprising trend. Often, patients exhibit severe teeth enamel erosion without the classic symptoms of heartburn or reflux. Picture this: sugary drinks assault the front teeth, but lurking in the shadows is the insidious acid from your esophagus, stealthily dissolving enamel at the back. A silent menace. Watch for subtle yet suspicious signs like a lingering sore throat, persistent coughing, unexplained wheezing, or a constant unpleasant taste in your mouth. These could be the secret whispers of reflux. Your teeth might be the storytellers, unraveling this tale of silent acid invasion. These warning signs are crucial, your body's way of urging you to seek help. Don't delay, consult a GI specialist if you or your dentist notice these signals. Addressing reflux promptly not only saves your teeth from decay but could also be a crucial step in reducing your risk of esophageal cancer. Your health is a treasure, protect it, starting with your enamel. Itchy, blistery skin rash. Unveil the enigma behind an unsuspecting skin reaction that may not just be eczema but a potential alarm for celiac disease. Picture this: a troublesome rash appearing on the elbows, knees, butt, back, or scalp. It resembles eczema but could signify something far more serious: celiac disease, an autoimmune condition where even the tiniest morsel of gluten can trigger the body to wage war on its own intestines. Astoundingly, up to 25% of celiac sufferers experience this rash, scientifically termed dermatitis herpetiformis. Here's the catch: many of them show no digestive symptoms. When someone with celiac ingests gluten, the body releases an antibody known as IgA, launching an assault on the intestines. To add to the complexity, IgA can also accumulate in small blood vessels under the skin, manifesting as this distinctive rash. The revelation is striking: patients with dermatitis herpetiformis can skip the endoscopic biopsy typically needed for a definitive celiac diagnosis. Instead, a dermatologist can biopsy the rash and pinpoint the antibodies that unequivocally point to celiac disease. What follows is transformative. Adopting a gluten-free diet often leads to the miraculous disappearance of the rash. becoming a crucial shield against the long-term, severe repercussions of celiac disease, such as osteoporosis and small intestine cancer. Imagine this discovery not just transforming your skin but safeguarding your entire body. It's a potent reminder that our body communicates with us, sometimes through unexpected signs. In deciphering these signals and acting on them, we hold the power to protect ourselves. Knowledge is the key, and your health is the treasure. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and let your body guide you towards a healthier, gluten-free future. Bowel or bladder changes. Your body has a language of its own, often dropping subtle hints about your health. Pay attention to the whispers, it could save your life. Are you visiting the restroom more or less than your norm? Your bladder or prostate might be trying to tell you something crucial. And if your gut is sending distress signals like constipation or persistent diarrhea, your colon or ovaries might be speaking up. Don't brush off gassiness or bloating as merely dietary. If it lingers longer than a week, it's time for a conversation with your doctor. These seemingly minor shifts in your body's routine could be early signs of something more serious. Early detection is your ally against the stealthy invaders: bladder, prostate, colon, or ovarian cancers. So, listen closely to your body's conversation, and when in doubt, consult a healthcare professional. Your proactive action today could pave the way for a healthier, happier tomorrow. Your body knows best, give it the attention it deserves. Stay aware, stay vigilant, and let your body's language guide you towards a life of well-being. Changes in handwriting. Redefine how you perceive Parkinson's. Beyond the tremors lies a subtle yet revealing early warning sign: shrinking handwriting. Imagine a sentence gradually condensing, words huddling together like a secret code only your body understands. Dr. Michael S. Okun, a Parkinson's expert, unveils this ingenious diagnostic approach: a sentence repeated 10 times, each rendition shrinking, a metaphor for the microscopic shifts within. Parkinson's disease emerges when brain nerve cells falter, diminishing dopamine production, the messenger for movement. It tightens its grip on hands and fingers, altering handwriting and revealing the story of the nervous system's struggle. But there's more. Watch for a faded sense of smell, overlooking enticing scents, and vivid dreams where you become an acrobat in your slumber. Should you encounter these subtle markers persisting beyond a fortnight, seek a neurologist's counsel. Early detection opens doors to managing symptoms, potentially enhancing your quality of life. Let's rewrite the Parkinson's narrative, one where knowledge trumps fear. Stay vigilant, act early, and let your body's whispers guide you toward a future of empowered well-being. Your journey to conquer Parkinson's begins with a sentence: let it be bold and legible. Random bursts of anger. Depression is a master of disguise, not always revealing itself through tears or inactivity. Surprisingly, over half of depression sufferers experience a different side: irritability and anger, often signaling a more severe and enduring form. According to a University of California, San Diego study. Picture this: an individual unaffected by road rage suddenly finds themselves raging at the slightest provocation, horns blaring madly. Dr. Philip Muskin, a psychiatry expert, narrates this classic scenario. If you've noticed a surge in irritability, incessant snapping, or an amplified response to minor annoyances for over 2 weeks, depression might be the unseen force at play. But here's the silver lining: many major depression cases respond remarkably to a blend of antidepressants and cognitive behavior therapy. This dynamic duo helps rein in damaging thoughts and actions. A groundbreaking study in The Lancet unveiled mindfulness-based cognitive therapy as a potent rival to medications in preventing depression recurrence over a 2-year period. Embrace the truth: depression wears many masks, and understanding its shades can lead to empowerment. Seek help, learn the strategies, and envision a life where depression loses its grip. You have the power to redefine your narrative. Stay strong, seek support, and let the light of knowledge guide you toward a path of resilience and healing. Snoring. Unlock the surprising connection between snoring and heart health, a link that goes beyond just sleep apnea. Snoring, often a nighttime annoyance, might be playing a significant role in cardiovascular disease, much more than experts initially believed. A groundbreaking 2013 study in the laryngoscope revealed that even in individuals without sleep apnea, snoring was tied to thickening of carotid arteries in the neck, a precursor to stroke and heart attack. Astonishingly, snoring showcased a stronger association with this arterial wall damage than factors like smoking, high cholesterol, or being overweight. But why does snoring hold this power? It appears that snoring can inflict harm on the carotid arteries, crucial blood suppliers to the brain. The arteries, positioned in close proximity to the throat, might be reacting to the vibrations caused by snoring. Dr. Kathleen Yaremchuk, the study's author, provides insights into this mechanism. This revelation highlights the significance of understanding the potential health implications of snoring and taking proactive steps towards a better night's rest. Your body whispers hints of potential risks, heed them, for a healthier, happier life awaits. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and let your body guide you toward a future free from unnecessary health concerns. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.